Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to set an emoji alarm. First, make sure your device volume is audible and do not disturb allows alarms, otherwise you won't hear it. Open the clock app and go to the Alarm tab, then tap the plus button to start a new alarm. Set the wake time and choose repeat days if needed. Once done, move on to pick a label and sound so the emoji matches how you'll recognize the alarm in the morning. Now customize the alarm so it's both visual and audible. Tap label and insert an emoji that represents the alarm purpose. For example, coffee hot beverage for morning or dumbbell person for workout, plus a short phrase. Next, choose sound, pick a built-in tone or import custom audio so the emoji pairs with a distinct sound. Make sure to save the alarm, then preview it to confirm the emoji shows in the list, and the tone plays as expected before you finish. Finish by enabling the alarm and optionally placing the alarm widget on your home screen so the emoji is always visible. Test it by scheduling a near-future alarm and watching or listening for the notification. This verifies label, emoji, and sound. If the alarm doesn't trigger, check app notifications and permission settings, disable battery saver for the clock app, and ensure the app and OS are up to date. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.